In this video, I will show you how to easily create grid posts on Instagram that can be displayed as a puzzle feed. Now, ever since Instagram changed its grid layout from square to rectangular, many people's carefully created grids have been ruined due to the adjustments in image size and grid view. If you're one of those affected, there is nothing much you can do about past posts, but I'll show you an updated method to create grid posts following the new 4 to 5 dimensions without altering the sides of the image. If you find this helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more updates. So to start, the first step is for you to open Play Store or App Store, then search for Photo Split app. So from there you will have many options in the search results, but you're going to select Photo Split Rectangle Grids and then you install it. After installing, open your Instagram app and ensure that you're logged into the account where you'd like to post grids. After that, open the Photo Split app, select Choose Photo, then you can either watch or skip the tutorial and you will be redirected to your phone's library where you can choose the image you'd like to split. After selecting the image, before you split it, you will see two options below it, and that is Portrait and Square. Now, Square was the old Instagram ratio, so you need to select Portrait to match the new ratio. Next, select the number of grids that you want your post to display. So depending on the size of your image, you can either choose 2x3 or 3x3. Now for this case, I'll be using 2x3, and then after that you select Split. Since you're using the free version of the app, an ad will run for a few seconds which you can skip, and afterward the image will be split. Next, an instruction will appear regarding the new layout and how to post the split images, but don't worry, I'll show you that in just a moment. Now that your image has been split, you can either save the split images to your gallery to post them one by one later, or you can tap each sequence to post directly to your feed, but I'll show you how to do both. So for the first method, and that is posting directly from the sequence, I mentioned at the beginning that you need to ensure you're logged into your Instagram account first. Secondly, you will need to post each split image starting from the bottom according to their numbering, and that is, you have to start with image 1, then image 2, and so on. So to do this, you're going to tap on image number 1, select the Instagram app icon, but if it is not shown, you can choose among the apps, then choose feed. Now before you continue, this is where you have to pay more attention. In your image, you'll notice a little preview icon at the bottom left corner. So you need to click on that preview icon in order to fit the image. So this is very important. If you skip this, then you will have altered images at the end. So after selecting that preview icon, then you can click next, then next again. So you can add a caption if you need to, and then after that you share the image. So you make sure that the image has been shared or posted first before you proceed to the next one. So after that, you can go back to the second image and then you repeat the same procedure. So you make sure that you tap on the preview icon for each image to avoid altered images in your final grid. Also, ensure that the previous image has been posted fully before selecting the next one. After doing this for all the images, then you can refresh your feed and go to your profile. From there, you'll find a beautifully arranged grid post of your image. So that is the first method. Now the other second method, if you want to save the split images in your gallery to post later, in the Photo Split app, after splitting the image, select Save to Gallery. From there, open your Instagram app, tap on the plus icon and select the Post option. From here, you will have to post each image from the last one to the first one, following the same procedure as before. For instance, you're going to select the last image, then choose the preview icon to fit the image, then click Next, add a caption if necessary, then select Share. After that, go back and select the second image following the same procedure. And after you've posted all the images, you can refresh your feed and go to your profile grid where you'll find a nicely arranged grid post. Now, in case you're wondering why Instagram decided to change the grid layout, here is a clarification from the head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri.
Got a lot of angry comments about this week. The reason is the vast majority of both photos and videos uploaded are vertical. So Square is just cropping most of that content away and just not really respecting the content. Now, I know some of you spend a lot of time lining up those grids and it's really frustrating to see it change, and I hear you. But we really do have to make the default experience reflect the default content that is uploaded. So that's why.